Hey guys, my name is Adam and today I'm gonna show you how to transfer Paysafecard to PayPal. So first thing you need to know is you must go to your App Store or Google Play and you need to download PayPal, of course. So after you've downloaded PayPal, you need to sign up, add your ID information and all that, and afterwards it's gonna confirm, and after that you're gonna just go ahead and go to your browser, Google Play, or if you're using Safari you can go here and start searching for Transfer Bay. So after you've searched for Transfer Bay, it's gonna take you to this website over here. All you need to do is add your card code, email, balance if you have have an account or on Transfer Bay, and afterwards you're gonna select an options, and it says right here only 3% fee on transaction higher than 25 euros, and afterwards you're gonna have an option to transfer to PayPal. Basically that's it. We also have a lot of instructions more on our channel and we try to upload every day, so make sure that you subscribe to our channel, hit the thumbs up, last but not least turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. My name is Adam, see you in the next one.